Hello, in this video, we will learn about index function in Excel. Index is a particular function that helps in looking up values in a particular data set basis some criteria. So let us first understand how the syntax works for index. First, we will write index, then it asks for two different uh, syntax. We will concentrate on the first one only. So in the first, it asks for array. Array means the data set from where we wanted to look value. So this is our array. Then put the row number. Let's suppose, for the sake of this understanding, we will put 3. Then comma. Then it asks for column number. So we have 4 different columns. We will put some second value and then close this. So it gives me a value Megan. Now we see where is Megan. Megan is here. So if we read this formula, it says third row, row number 3, 1, 2, and 3, and column is second. So Megan is here in the second column, row number 3. It is little different than the VLOOKUP when we were putting some value and we are trying to look that value like ID. So basis ID, we were trying to find some name score for that particular ID. But in this index, we are trying to find basis some positions. In the next video, we will learn about how to use index with match function. So this match function gives leverage index to find a particular value in a particular data set.